Hi, it's JoJo time. JoJo's sitting out on her porch and it's evening and it's going to get dark soon. But she wanted to read a story to you about a character that you both like. And the story is What Do You Say, Little Blue Truck? And I borrowed this book from Hazel. Little Blue Truck is taking a ride. He sees some friends in the countryside. Blue says, as he's passing by, how do Little Blue's friends say hi? Little Blue Truck sees Pig today, says Blue in a friendly way. Does Pig say beep like Little Blue? No, Pig says, as all pigs do. Who's in the meadow? It's Woolly Sheep. Blue drives by with a friendly. Does Sheep say beep like Little Blue? No, Sheep says, as all sheep do. Hen's in the garden scratching around. She hears Blue's, and she knows that sound. Does Hen say beep like Little Blue? No, Hen says, like all hens do. Who's in the pond? It's Blue's friend Duck. She hears a from Little Blue Truck. Does Duck say beep like Little Blue? No, Duck says, as all ducks do. Goat jumps over a bale of hay when he hears Blue's friendly today. Does Goat say beep like Little Blue? No, Goat says, as all goats do. Blue sees Horse by the big barn door, says Blue as he did before. Does Horse say beep like Little Blue? No, Horse says, as all horses do. Cow looks out of a field of corn when he hears the of Little Blue's horn. Does Cow say beep like Little Blue? No, Cow says, as all cows do. Blue sees many good friends today. They all say hi in their own special way. Oink, baa, cluck, quack, ma, neigh, and says Little Blue. And that's the end of our story for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget, JoJo and Jeepa, I love you both very much. And I'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.